let's do a little product review for this beautiful Sanitaire Canister Vacuum. There it is, folks. All right, the first thing to know, it sucks. Now remember, we are talking about vacuum cleaners, so that is a good thing. Look at it. It glides beautifully. It doesn't take a lot of effort and it rolls behind. Now the other thing I like about it is how conveniently you can switch between hard surface floors and carpets. Now I will say this thing has a lot of heavy suction, so you might have to adjust the suction right here a little bit when you're dealing with thicker carpets. Otherwise you might struggle a little bit. But it does a tremendous job getting all that stuff out of the carpets. Now it has great filters for the fine dust and allergens. It really traps everything in there. As you can see, a multiple filter system, which is what you want. Now, it's not the most quiet thing, but it is powerful. And another thing I love is the cord for it is pretty long, which is great. There you have it. This is the S3700 Sanitaire Canister Vacuum.